Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix my Subaru app not working. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically what I did myself actually was that I firstly closed the My Subaru app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So we can now just open up our settings phone on our phones, then we can scroll down in here and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, just scroll down and then you're going to click on storage in here. So click on storage and now just wait for all the apps in here to load. And when it's done, you're just going to scroll up in here. And as you can see on top, you will be able to see a search bar. So click on the search bar. In here, just search for My Subaru and just click on it. Then click on Offload App and once again, click on Offload App in here and then click on the reinstall app button and just wait for your My Subaru app to completely update to the latest version. So I did this myself and what will happen now is that you're going to actually force your My Subaru app to update to the absolute latest version and it's going to hopefully fix the bug that your app wasn't working. So try this and then go back into the app and hopefully now it's working for you as well.